Hello, my name is Cam, and in this short video, we're going to be helping you get familiar with the People Database, NationBuilder CRM. This is where you're going to be managing your supporters, your contacts, your prospects, or your donors. So let's dive in. This is where you're going to manage all of your relationships with your supporters, your volunteers, your donors, or your prospects. We're going to start on the top bar here under Control Panel Users. This is where you're going to add your team members to be able to log into the control panel. If you would like to import your email lists or your voter files, the import section is where you'll do so. Next to that are where your lists will live, as well as your tag library. On the far right here, if you'd like to manually create a new person or organizational profile, you can do so there. And on the bar below, this is where we're going to be able to see all of our paths and create new ones, as well as run filters within our people database. Following down the line, if you'd like to see or change the orientation or view of the people database, you could do so here. And on the far right, under the Actions tab, if you want to add folks to a list, enroll them in an automated email series, remove them from a list, or export to a CSV, you could do so there as well. If you click onto the name of a profile, it will enter into the single person profile view for that individual, where you will be able to log contact notes, see their activity feed, as well as edit their profile. If you press edit next to the dashboard, you'll be able to go in, and if you need to change any information, update their address, add a new email or phone number, you could do so here. Please like and subscribe for more video content like this. And if you haven't already joined NationBuilder, consider attending one of our live demos by clicking on the link below. Till next time.